Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on Verasity. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from a down channel and from a descending triangle, the price line of Verasity was rejected by a quite long-term resistance of $0.008. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, and then here you can see that this was the descending triangle and this was the down channel. And after the breakout from this triangle, we had a nice short rally, but the price line is rejected by this resistance of $0.008. That was previously breaking as a resistance here. And before that, it was breaking as a resistance here. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then it will be more visible. You can see that this $0.008, this resistance has been previously breaking as a resistance here and resistance here as well. And here it was working as support back in the month of July 2021. And now again, it is working as a strong resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for OGN, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 21st of November 2024. And here you can also want the complete trade signal as well. Like this is the buying zone and the sell target zone and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Veracity. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks a month, it has been moving inside this channel. And by the way, when it was moving inside this channel, we found this down trend line resistance at that time in the month of April 2024. Before that, it was working as support, and after the breakdown, this down trend line support was flipped into resistance. We got rejections here, and even after the breakout from the channel, the price line got rejected by this downtrend and resistance here and here as well. And this was the formation of another descending triangle. Now, finally, we have broken out the resistance of the triangle. The target that I was telling you for this breakout from this triangle was here at this long-term resistance of $0.0095. That is, by the way, quite long-term resistance. That was recently also working at the resistance here as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then it will be more visible. You can see that this point at $0.0095, this level, has been previously working as a resistance here for several weeks, and now again it can break as a strong resistance for the price line of Veracity. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel will be here. That is higher then the target from this descending triangle that will be here, approximately at 1.6 cents. And in my opinion, if the price and reach is there, then it can also hit this long-term resistance of 1.7 cents as well. On the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.